I think about homelessness, they're still human. So our goal is to make people have a sense of self-esteem, a sense of confidence. They call us their laundry angels. Hi, Mike, how are you? We started off doing it in 2015. And so we work with an organization called Bridge Ministries with Bob Pearson. And I just asked, what is it that we can do for you? And so that was one of the things, is that they needed their laundry done.
I've always loved clean clothes. I don't like being dirty. And it's hard out here because you don't have a washer or dryer. But when they come around, it means the world to us. You know, I don't want to be dirty in front of people.
Sometimes it's hard to keep stuff clean, but, you know, this is a great blessing. You know, I'm grateful for it, yeah.
For those of you who don't know, we're here to wash clothes for the homeless. For those of you who do know, this isn't your first time. Thank you for coming back. So we started off doing it in 2015, and we stuck to just doing the second and fourth Saturdays because we never want to burn out our volunteers. We definitely want them to enjoy helping, and we want to keep the fun in it. I'm a team player. So once the drivers drop off the clothes at the laundromat, we have wash clerks. So what the wash clerks are responsible for is for washing, drying, and folding the clothes.
We definitely make sure that no socks are left behind.
Jeans.
We have an inventory sheet where we go through and mark off everything that's part of their the bags that we picked up. We put their names on the washer. Name tag will transfer over to the dryers. Those things are critical to this population, so we want to make sure that we get everything out of the washers into the dryers and make sure everything is dried.
Just knowing that a small amount of time out of my day is being able to help another human being just feel human. And it's really just that, you know, that I can use that one resource to help somebody else to just be able to want to get through another day means a lot.
I don't want to be dirty in front of people. I don't want them to see my clothes that are muddy or old torn. I want to try to be a productive citizen.
We're people too.
Yeah, we're humans trying to survive.
If you don't have clean clothes, you don't feel the confidence mentally, and I'm grateful that they're able to allow us to do their dirty laundry. It really wasn't ever a thing of trying to start my own nonprofit, but it's just the love and the passion of being able to help others in their basic human needs. To know that we were able to help someone, that's the greatest fulfillment of all.